Adding filters to tables in Confluence enhances data organization and allows users to easily find specific information. Here's how to do it. Edit the page. Navigate to the Confluence page containing the table you want to filter. Click on the Edit button to enter edit mode. Select the table. Click anywhere within the table to activate the table editing options. Enable filters. Locate the table options in the toolbar. If you don't see it, click on the three dots to find additional settings. Select Add Filters or Enable Filters. This feature may be labeled differently depending on your Confluence version. Choose Filter Criteria. A filter bar will appear at the top of each column in your table. Click the filter icon in the column you want to filter. You can select criteria such as text matches, number ranges, or specific values to narrow down the data. Apply filters. After selecting your filter criteria, the table will automatically update to display only the rows that meet the specified conditions. Save changes. Once you are satisfied with the filters, click Publish to save your changes and make the filtered table available to users.